This is the Champion RK-26C Classic Actuator Rebuild Kit for the CL or Classic Series from 2004 through 2016 with the rigid diaphragm. So in this kit, it's going to come with your diaphragm gasket, 4 total red fiber gaskets, 2 large and 2, I guess you could say medium fibers. And then it also comes with 2 rubber seat washers and 2 rubber O-rings. Now these 2 brass screws, the one on the left here is your bleed screw. Take a closer look at it. It's got a little flathead slot here at the top, got a hole through the center, and then a very small set of male threads there, and then that hole in the bottom. And you've got your hex screw, hole all the way through the center. And now it's not necessarily a part, but it's very helpful. It also comes with this little paper pamphlet. On the front, you see your item number, what it fits, and of course our Champion branding. And then on the back end, you've got a full parts breakdown that shows the complete actuator, where all the parts are going, and how to do it pretty much. So we're going to start getting a couple dimensions of each component in the kit, starting with the diaphragm. Now on the bottom end of the diaphragm, you can kind of see how there's a little lip here. So first we're going to measure outer diameter, and then we'll measure inner diameter from the inside of that lip. So starting with the outer, you see we're right at about 2.5 inches on that OD. And then inner diameter from inside of that lip, we're right at about 2 3/8. And then the larger red fiber gasket got an outer diameter of right at about 1 3/4 inches, just shy of 1 3/4 inches. And then an inner diameter right at about 1 inch and right at about 1 3/8 on that inner. And then the smaller fiber gasket, we've got an outer diameter right at about 1 3/8 as well, with an inner right at about 1 1/8. And then the larger of the 2 rubber seat washers, we've got an outer diameter right at about 1 1/8, and then inner right at 1/4 inch. Then the smaller outer diameter right at about 7/8 of an inch, with an inner diameter of right at 1/4 inch. Then the rubber O-rings. Now, first glance, they look like they're the exact same O-ring, but if we look a lot closer, you can see the one in my left hand here, it's not as wide, or as thick, I guess you could say, as this one on my right here. So measurements are still going to be very, very close, but we're going to start with this one here. We're going to go outer diameter. It's going to be right at about 3/8 of an inch, with an inner and just right at 1/4 inch. Now outer, these should be extremely, extremely close. Yeah, just below 1/4 inch here. Or, I'm sorry, just above 1/4 inch actually. And then an inner sits right at about 1/8 to maybe 2/8 on the inner. And then our bleed screw, we're going to go overall length of right at about 3/8 of an inch. Or I'm sorry, 5/8. And the outer diameter across the top of the head, we're right at about 3/8. And then the brass screw, overall length right at about 3/4 inch, and an outer diameter across the hex head of right at about 3/8. And once again, this is the Champion RK-26C repair kit for the classic actuators from 2004 through the year of 2016.